Grading assignments shouldn't be a time-consuming struggle, but for many educators, it still is. Meet Hubble NovaMark, the AI-powered evaluation platform that transforms grading into a seamless, fast, and accurate process. Streamline your grading process in 4 simple steps. Step 1. System setup for scanning. Step 2. Answer script scanning. Step 3. System setup for evaluation. Step 4. Answer script evaluation. Step 1. System setup for scanning. Let's understand how does Hubble NovaMark simplify evaluation. Once candidates complete their exams, all answer scripts are submitted to the scanning hub where the digitization and evaluation process begins. Log into the account by entering the provided credentials. Before initiating the scanning of answer scripts, a master setup must be configured through this menu. The user will navigate to Master Management module, where the user will set up drive details like university description, drive, year, stream, program, and subject. Once the user has created the master for the drive, they will navigate to the Project Master Management section and select the relevant fields such as university, drive, year, stream, program, and subject. After filling in these details, click on Add Drive to save the master details for the project. Once the user clicks on Add Drive, the details will be displayed. The user must then fill in the required fields. Once the user has added the university details, they will proceed to add the master details for the college. The user must select the previously created drive and click on Add College. Add College Master Data. User will navigate to Booklet Management and will enter the details for Booklet Invert Master Setup. The user will navigate to the Batch Invert section, select the relevant university and drive for which the batch invert is to be checked, and then the system will automatically create scripts into batches and bundles. The process starts with barcode reading, wherein the barcode printed on each answer booklet is scanned. This enables the system to uniquely identify and register each script. To begin scanning, the user selects the relevant QP code, bundle number, and batch number. Once selected, simply scan the barcodes and the system automatically retrieves the corresponding script details for you. Step 2. Answer script scanning. Scanned answer scripts are first safely stored on the scanner system in organized folders labeled by subject, date, and batch details. Once scanning is complete, the files are transferred to the server, ensuring a smooth and secure handoff for processing and evaluation. Step 3. System setup for evaluation. While setting up the evaluation drive, you can configure the subject master with all relevant details needed for a smooth evaluation process. You also have the flexibility to define the evaluation level, which can range from 1 to 5 levels based on your requirements. Each script will be reviewed by multiple evaluators, one at each level, before it reaches the head evaluator for final validation. This multi-level setup ensures thorough and accurate assessment. You can also set a grace period, allowing evaluators to recheck scripts within the allotted time after submission. The Upload Script section on this portal enables you to effortlessly sync and retrieve answer scripts for evaluation. We can manage the details of the faculty members who will evaluate the answer scripts, ensuring the right evaluators are assigned to each script. System also allows you to set approval and target matrix for the evaluators. The evaluator dashboard is the central hub where evaluators log in using their credentials to access their assigned evaluations. Once logged in, evaluators can view the question paper, refer to the script of evaluation for standard answers, and use predefined annotations to mark responses effectively. Each evaluator has a target of evaluating 10 scripts within the given time frame, with a grace period available for extensions. The dashboard also displays available scripts, their start and end dates, and allows evaluators to begin the evaluation process. They can also review previously evaluated scripts. Step 4. Answer script evaluation. Once inside the evaluation screen, evaluators have access to various annotation tools, including a comment box for feedback, tick and cross marks to mark answers as correct or incorrect, undo and redo options for corrections, and a pencil mark tool for freehand annotations. To track progress, pages that have been fully evaluated are outlined in green, ensuring clarity in completion status. Evaluators can also refer to uploaded documents, including the question paper and answer key, and raise exceptions if necessary. Marks can be entered manually or selected from predefined options before submitting. They can also add remarks on the answer script before moving on to the next evaluation. Once an evaluator completes their assigned scripts, the evaluated answer sheets are sent to the head evaluator's dashboard for final review. The head evaluator can select the subject, assign evaluators, and review the evaluated scripts. Upon final approval, the recheck option is disabled, and the L1, L2 and maximum marks are displayed. Additionally, the head evaluator can monitor the progress of each evaluator and track the number of scripts checked. That's how you can complete your evaluations with accuracy, efficiency and innovation with Hubble NovaMark.